Come test drive the 2015 Chevrolet Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power windows, MP3 player, CD player, bucket seats, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.